Now we will see how we can draw the angles of 60 degree, 30 degree, 15 and 7.5 degree, and related combination we can make, and we can find the different angles with the help of just scale and compass. Okay, now this is my scale. This is what I have taken my scale. Now for constructing an angles, first we will need the initial arm, right? So you can draw a initial arm also, or you can have a line also. I will draw my initial arm. Yes, this is my initial arm. I will mark this point as Q, and here somewhere I will locate the point P. Okay, now with the suitable radius of your own choice, with the suitable radius, I am going to draw one half circle. Now this is what I have drawn. You can say arc also, you can say half circle also. Okay, now where my point of this arc and my ray initial arm is intersecting with each other, that point I will give a name as X. Now with the same distance, which distance I have taken to draw the arc or a semicircle, with the same distance I will draw the one more arc, keeping X as my center. Now here I will give a name as, now here I will join. Now these two arcs are intersecting with each other and one vertex we are having. So 2 points I am having. So I will draw a line which is, or a ray which passes through the vertex of an angle and the intersecting point of an arc. Now this ray I have drawn. If you see carefully, this point I will give a name as R. Now my angle PQR is of an angle PQR is of 60 degree, right? Now, if I bisect this 60 degree angle, which angle I'll be getting? I'll be getting 30 degree angle. That I will show you. Now already we are having two arcs. So from that, take a distance more than half of Rx. Now this is my Rx. I will take a more than half. Now this is more than half, and I'm going to draw the arcs from R and X respectively. Now, I got arcs which are intersecting to each other. Now, from this, I am going to draw a ray. Now, my ray is passing through the vertex of an angle and where my arcs are intersecting to each other. Now, this angle is divided into two parts. So, this angle is of 30 degree and this angle is of also 30 degree, right? Now, I can give a name as Y. So, my angle RQY is equal to angle YQX, which is nothing but 30 degree. Now we have to construct the angle of 50 degree. Now how we will construct? You can either cut this and bisect this angle, or you can bisect this angle, because both the angles are of 30 degree. So you can bisect any of angle. So I am going to bisect. Whichever angle you have to bisect. So the arcs you need to take from that particular. Now I am bisecting this angle. So for this angle, these 2 points I'll be needed where my arcs are intersecting. Now from this we have drawn this arc. From this point we will, yes. And now we can draw the segment or a ray which will pass through the vertex of an angle and again the intersection point of an arc. Now this angle will be of 15 degree. This is also of 15 degree. Hence we have constructed the angle of 15 degree. Now if I divide 15 degree or if I bisect 15 degree angle, then I'll be getting, or I will reach to the 7.5 degree angle. So here if I'm going to bisect this angle, yes. Now take again more than half distance. This is my one arc. This is my second arc. Again, draw the line which passes through. So here is my scale. I will draw, or I will join the vertex. Yes. Now this is nothing but I will shade that with a light sketch pen. Now this angle is of my 7.5 degree, which is nothing but the which we got by bisecting the angle of 15 degree. Okay. Now with the combinations we can make, now from this we can make the angle of 22.7 degree also. How? 22.7 can be formed by 30 minus 7.5, or it can be formed by 15 plus 7.5. By both the measurements we can find a 22.5 degree angle, right? Now if this 15 and this 7.5 I join, I will get 22.5 degree angle. Now from this we can have 45 degree angle also. How? Now this is my complete 30 degree and this 15 degree. So this complete angle joins, that will be of 45 degree. Getting my points? So we can make the such combinations also, and we can form the different angles also. Okay, in the next video we will see with the same procedure how we can draw the angle of 90 degree, 120 degree and subsequent angles by the combinations. Okay.